If you're one of the thousands of customers wanting to take this underwater, well, finally DJI have put the Underwater Enclosure onto the store. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and yes, the Underwater Enclosure for the lovely little Osmo Pocket is finally on the DJI store. The Osmo Pocket was released late last year and I absolutely love mine. I use it for most filming shots these days instead of lugging my SLR camera around. Well, they just stepped up the game by releasing the Underwater Enclosure, which allows you to take this lovely little 4K 3-axis mechanical gimbal down to 60 meters underwater. Not that you'll be able to see much unless you've got some comprehensive scuba lighting, but for people who are just interested in snorkeling and scubaing in beautiful light seas, it's going to be perfect. Links to the new Underwater Enclosure are in the video description below, so click it now to look at the price, because that's the first thing that has shocked me. I expected the Underwater Enclosure to be over $100, maybe even $150, just because it is quite a desirable bit of kit, and generally anything that's watertight, especially down to that kind of depth, is normally quite expensive, but this is super cheap. The only other significant difference I notice about it is if you look at the early renderings that DroningON launched first, you'll see that actually the dome is transparent around the sides of it. Now, people initially thought that this might mean that you could move the gimbal around, but that would never really work because of the way that water refracts on lenses like that when you're underwater. So the actual product only has a clear end on it, and that's why the Osmo Pocket has an underwater mode that's been introduced in the latest firmware to cater especially for that. Are you going to be taking the Osmo Pocket underwater? If so, comment below and let me know where you'll be going. Are you a scuba diver or otherwise? Also, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and click subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.